The American Curl, a gentle twist of nature. Opening atmosphere. In the animal world, evolution often shouts, but sometimes it whispers. A small curve, a gentle twist, and suddenly, an entirely new story begins. Introduction. Among the many cat breeds shaped by time, geography, and selective breeding, one stands apart, not for its size or strength, but for a subtle feature that changed everything. This is the story of the American Curl, a cat defined by elegance, intelligence, and ears that curve backward like a quiet signature of nature itself. A stray that changed history. In 1981, in Lakewood, California, a black long-haired stray appeared on the doorstep of an ordinary home. She was friendly, healthy, and unmistakably different. Her ears curved backward in a way no one had seen before. She was named Shulamith, and unknowingly, she carried a genetic surprise that would change the cat world forever. The birth of a breed. When Shulamith later gave birth, some of her kittens shared the same curled ears. Veterinarians and geneticists soon confirmed it, a spontaneous, natural mutation. Not caused by human interference. Not harmful. Simply rare. Careful, ethical breeding began. And within just a few years, the American Curl was officially recognized, not as a novelty, but as a stable, healthy breed. The science behind the curl. At birth, American Curl kittens look completely normal. Their ears are straight, soft, unremarkable. Then, between the third and fifth day of life, the transformation begins. The ears slowly curl backward, firm at the base, flexible at the tip. This trait is controlled by a dominant gene, meaning only one parent needs to carry it for the curl to appear. What the curl is and is not. Despite appearances, the curled ears do not affect hearing. They do not cause pain. They do not trap sound. Unlike some breeds shaped by extreme physical traits, the American Curl remains anatomically balanced, a key reason it is considered one of the healthiest modern breeds. Physical form, balance, and grace. The American Curl is a medium-sized cat with a rectangular, well-proportioned body. Neither fragile nor bulky. Athletic without being heavy. Movement is smooth and deliberate, a quiet confidence in every step. Coat types and colors. The breed comes in both long hair and short hair varieties. Coats are silky, fine, and lie flat against the body. There are no color restrictions. From solid blacks and whites to tabbies, tortoise shells, and pointed patterns, diversity is part of the curl's identity. Expressive features. Large walnut-shaped eyes give the American Curl an alert, thoughtful expression. Combined with their curled ears, they often appear curious, as if perpetually listening. Temperament. The Peter Pan cat. The American Curl is often called the Peter Pan of cats, playful, curious, and youthful well into adulthood. Unlike aloof breeds, curls form deep emotional bonds. They follow their humans. Observe quietly. Participate without demanding. Social intelligence. This is a cat that understands routines, responds to tone, and adapts easily to change. American Curls are known for their emotional awareness. sensing moods and responding with gentle presence rather than noise. Family compatibility. They thrive in families, with children, with seniors, with other pets. Their patience and curiosity make them exceptional companions in diverse households. Daily care, simple but important. Caring for an American Curl is refreshingly straightforward. Coat maintenance is minimal. Weekly brushing is usually enough. Ear care, however, requires mindfulness, gentle handling, never forcing the curl, never bending the cartilage. Diet and enrichment. Like all intelligent breeds, American Curls need mental stimulation. Interactive toys, climbing spaces, human interaction. Physically active but not hyper, balance defines them. Health and longevity. Thanks to their naturally occurring origins, American Curls are not associated with breed-specific genetic disorders. With responsible breeding and proper care, they commonly live between 12 and 16 years, often longer. Myths and misconceptions. One myth persists that curled ears mean fragility. The truth is the opposite. American Curls are robust, adaptable, and resilient, proof that uniqueness does not require compromise. The curl in cat shows. In the show ring, judges evaluate the degree of curl, symmetry, and overall harmony. But temperament matters just as much. Confidence, calmness, connection. The American Curl does not perform. It simply is. Global presence. Though recognized worldwide, the breed remains relatively rare. Its careful breeding standards prioritize health over popularity, a deliberate choice that preserves its integrity. Is this the right cat for you? The American Curl is not for those seeking a decorative pet. It is for those who value companionship, time, attention, respect. This is a relationship, not an ornament. Adoption and responsibility. Whether adopted from a shelter or acquired through a responsible breeder, owning an American Curl is a long-term commitment. One built on trust, care, and mutual curiosity. A breed shaped by chance. From a single stray on a California doorstep came a breed defined not by excess, but by restraint. A quiet reminder that nature often knows exactly what it's doing. Final reflection. The American Curl is not loud, not dramatic, not imposing. Yet in its gentle curve lies a powerful message that beauty and kindness can exist side by side. Sometimes the smallest twist can change everything. If you found this documentary informative, consider supporting the channel. Like this video to help it reach more viewers. Share it with others who want to understand how our planet works. And subscribe for more in-depth educational documentaries like this one. Thank you for watching.